Hi my friends, welcome back to Falcon RC, and we're going to keep working on the nitroplanes Falcon .25. So okay guys, we're going to do the installation of the control rods right now. So this is what we're going to be doing. Let me show you what we got here. I already put all my rods together over there, got everything laid out the way I'm going to be using it. When you lay your tools and your parts out, like that, it makes it a lot easier on you to find things. We're gonna go ahead and move to the rudder right there. Move the camera right. There we go. Okay, got rudder. Okay. So what I did was put this thing right here with the ugly S bend, put it on place, and you see that one goes over. So what we're going to do here, we're going to grab our marker. This servo was pre-centered already, so that servo is on place. Grab this tail on place, line up. Let me go with that. And we're going to mark right there on the hole. Right there. Now we have that mark, we're going to remove our horn over here. And we're going to do a real C-bend. With my pliers, the way I do it. Oh, I'm lost. Yeah, there go my bill hands. Okay, let me zoom out of here. There you go. Okay, so I'm not gonna bend this one because this one is going for the other side, but you just grab it right there on the mark that you cannot see on the camera. But you grab it there and do one bend, and you're going to have this, whatever, that L right there. So you have that L right there, and you're gonna have some extra wire that you're just gonna clip off. Leave about a little bit more than 1/4 of an inch, because this is where we're going to be clipping these things right here. Let me show you how these ones work. This one gonna hook into this hole right here. Oh, and then this one you put pressure here, and that one locks in there. And I'm gonna do it on the wing basically. That one locks in there on place. So let me go ahead and do it over here on the plane. Zoom into the rudder. This one is already set up, so put this one in place right here. Come on, servo. Right, nice. This one right here. Put it right here. Put it on top of that. A little bit too far out. Screw it in. Show you. That's fine. Put it in place. We'll put this one on the hole under it, which is not very easy to do upside down. There you go. Oops, came back out. Anyhow, I don't see it. There you go. So there. And then I'm gonna grab my pliers because this is actually pretty tight, which is good. Pliers. To get this in here. There we go. Nice. It's tight on place now. Probably my big old fingers were on the way the whole time. But yeah. But anyhow, now we have control of rudder. So let me go ahead guys and do the same thing all around the plane, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay my friends, so I got all the linkages on all the control surfaces now. As you can see right here, elevator, everything is on place basically on center. So we should be ready to keep going on with the build now. See, the ailerons are in place too. It's really very simple, very easy. But anyhow, the ailerons, elevator, which is way too much, and the rudder. Right now, according to the recommended setup, I'm having way too much control over it. So I'm gonna put on a switch on low rates. I'm going to set up the one that is recommended, and on high rates I'm going to put the one that I think it will fly with. So anyway, I got everything connected, guys, and it's actually a very simple connection step. I just have the ailerons on a Y connector into channel 1, 2 rotors on a Y connector into channel 4, and the 2 elevator servos into a Y connector on channel 2. I may do the ailerons on flaperons later on and see if they won't tip stall, you know, the wings, because the wings are very thin on the tips, you know, so it may tip stall. But we'll see that later on whenever we start getting to, you know, testing this thing more. So anyhow, my friends, next step is going to be installing the engine on, which I just got on the mail too. Here we have it. I'm going to be using the Delta V35 from E-flite with the V32, with the same motor recommended for it. This is the power system for the Habu 32, so it should be a pretty powerful setup for this plane. It is going to be flying on 6S. You know, this thing is going to be back here. I just have to build my mount for it, and after I put the engine on place, I can then go in here and rebuild this whole inside, because this thing is built for fuel power, not for electric. So I need to redo this whole inside so I can set my batteries and my nose steering servo on a good place. So okay, my friends, thank you for watching. See you next flight.